Diba? Korean glass skin look. Hey stars, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara, and passing it on is my passion and one of the areas I love to share, skincare. If you guys are interested about skincare, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. For today's video, I will be unboxing the products that I got from DEWYCEL Korea. I'm so happy and so kilig because this actually came from Gangnam-gu, Seoul, Korea. What? Home of the oppas, unis, ramen, tteokbokki, samgyeopsal. So for today's video, I will be unboxing the products that I got from DEWYCEL Korea. I'll be sharing with you information about every single one of them. But if you want a detailed review on each of their products, I will be doing that soon. Stay tuned. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when the videos are up. But for this video, I'll be sharing a brief introduction on their products, or the products that they sent me. And I will be doing a first impression review, sort of like a first impression review, because I've actually used their filtering cream, one time. This is actually the second time I'll be using it. So yeah, I'll be doing a first impression review on their filtering cream. Again, the rest of the products, I will be doing a detailed review some other time. Now, if you guys are interested to know more about DEWYCEL Korea and their products, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. So DEWYCEL is a Korean skincare brand, and this is what they believe in. Evoke the beauty within you. Simple and convenient skin cell care to create beautiful glowing skin from any angle. The lighter your makeup, the closer to finding your own inner beauty. It's only natural. Sign me up for that natural look, no makeup look, dewy finish. I love it. That is just my preference. Anyways, DEWYCEL Korea, their products are available in Shopee. I'll just place the links at the description box. And I found the product information there as well, because almost everything here, like 90%, is written in Korean language, and I do not understand that. What I understand is only filtering cream, whitening effect, glowing effect, and SPF 50+, PA++++, which really got me curious about this product. So I'm gonna start with my first impression review on their filtering cream so that I won't look pale and dull all throughout this video. Let's start with its product information. DEWYCEL filtering cream tones up, soothes, and gives UV protection to the skin. Tone up, brightening effect from niacinamide acid and bright capsule will naturally brighten your dull skin. Soothing. Contains vitamin C from water lily, improves your skin barrier and soothes your skin. UV protection contains SPF 50+, PA++++ that will protect your skin from UV light, which causes freckles, wrinkles, aging, and sunburn. Okay, so as mentioned, I really got curious because of its SPF 50+, PA++++, because I think we need SPF, especially that we live in a tropical country. It's sunny all throughout the year. By the way, you need to apply SPF every single day because of the UVAs and the UVBs, burning and aging rays. Anyways, going back to the filtering cream. So I got curious because of the protection that it gives. And it's really interesting because it's not just going to give you protection, it also gives you that whitening effect and glowing effect. So I'm gonna apply it to show you. So I'm gonna apply on this side first so that we can see the difference. Do you see the instant glow? Ta-da! OMG. So it's very easy to apply. I love that. It's very easy to apply. Easy application. It's kind of watery. That's why it's very easy to apply it. Include my neck. Just half of my neck. With the filtering cream, without. And now I am going to apply it the rest of my face. See the glow. You glow, girl. Mao din yung sikreto din sa mga uni. Filtering cream. Wow, it really gives you that glowing and whitening effect. Anyways, for my review, let me start with facts, claims, and then later on my feedback, likes and dislikes. Facts. This retails at 1,975 pesos, but it's on sale, 810 pesos only. I'll just place a link at the description box. You can purchase this in Shopee, which is one of the things that I like about it. Readily available online, very convenient to order, to purchase. Anyways, for its claims, it's pretty obvious claims and or benefits. Whitening effect, glowing effect, and it gives you that UV protection. So my feedback, likes and dislikes. Likes. What I like about this is that it truly gives you that whitening effect, glowing effect, as you can see, and it gives UV protection, SPF 50+, PA+++++, which is really good. As we know, the magic number of SPF is 30, at least 30, and this offers SPF 50. Another thing that I like about it is the easy application. It's very easy to apply, and it is not sticky. It gives you a light coverage, by the way. If you think that this will cover, like for example, your blemishes and all that, no, it doesn't. It is what it is. It is a filtering cream. It gives you a little bit of filter. You know the filters on the phone? So it's kind of like that, but in a cream form. Yay or nay? Leave or love? Oh, dislikes? There is nothing I dislike about this really, and I love the effect actually. If you are somebody whose preference is that dewy finish, no makeup, dewy finish, glowing effect, Korean skin or glass skin, if you like that look, if you like that effect, I definitely recommend this. So obviously, yay or nay, leave or love, yay and love. Now moving on to the rest of their products. DEWYCEL Turn-On Cream. A whitening cream containing vitamins to smooth out uneven skin tone and renew vitality. Use as a primer or makeup base. DEWYCEL Super Cover Cushion. Makeup that contains all the nutrients of a sheet mask to create a layer that feels like your own skin. It presents a perfectly glowing skin with a single touch. DEWYCEL CICA Plus Balm Cream. Reborn cream known to intensively soothe the skin overnight. DEWYCEL AMPULE Serum. It combines the benefits of AMPULE, effective for oil and moisture care and moisturizing cream to create moist skin without oiliness and stickiness. DEWYCEL AMPULE Cream. It is DEWYCEL's AMPULE Cream to brighten, energize, strengthen the skin barrier, and increase skin elasticity. DEWYCEL Eye Plus Cream. DEWYCEL's eye cream with liposome technology, energy capsules smaller than cells. These nano-sized energy capsules fit and absorb in cells and fill between wrinkles to transform into supple skin. DEWYCEL Lifting Facial Mask. Advanced lifting mask to improve not only tight lifting effect, but also wrinkles and elasticity by the cells delivered deep into the skin. DEWYCEL Private Care Facial Mask. Fully recharged skin energy with highly functional DEWYCEL once a week. Starting from dead skincare, giving elasticity to eye skin by super adhesive sheet, tightening the drooping jaw by thick stretching sheet. It can solve different skin troubles through 3-step intensive care that deeply penetrates nutrition to the skin within 15 minutes. So that was just a brief introduction of the products that they sent me. Again, I would love to do a detailed review on every single one of them. For now, the products that I have been using, are the AMPULE cream and the AMPULE serum, which I'm really loving, to be honest. I really think that these two are really good for skin hydration, for those who have combination to oily skin. It is not like sticky at all, like the texture, and it's not thick. Anyways, I would love to do a separate video on these two. And next time, I would love to do a first impression review on their turn-on cream as well as their cushion. Stay tuned for that. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when the videos are up. And let me know in the comment section which of the products you'd want me to do a review on first. Which of the products are you really curious about? So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if it does, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. Again, DEWYCEL Korea, 감사합니다. 안녕! Mo din siya sikreto sa mga no? As in, seriously, like, glass skin effect. Glass skin effect. I love it.